Alrighty, number 2, using automotive primer here, 2-in-1 fillable sander on this wheel arch repair, driver's side Ford Ranger, otherwise known as a learning vehicle, Ablecraft vehicle here. So let's start. I'm gonna start low, spray off, and on. Yep, I got a little bit of a breeze there. Stuff dries quick. About 80 something degrees out. There you go. So that's the area that you might see in the paint work, right? See here. You probably might see this in the paint work come up. That's that where the crease is that I've been trying to work out, make it perfect. So we'll see what happens. I'll sand, prime, and sand. But if not, that's what I'm just have to live with, and I'll live and learn as I go through this. Alright, so that's number 2, finishing up, and that's I say day 7, part 3.